Regarding the ordering screen, the next thing is the search function. This is useful if you have a very particular item that you're trying to find, and you don't want to navigate through your whole catalog to find it. Also, the next window here allows for you to pull up an order based on a reference number. Those are usually printed on the receipt or can be found in the closed order menu. Moving over to here, this button will allow for me to associate a customer with an order. Sometimes the setting is different and instead it requires a call-in name. This allows for you to just add a name to an order in the event that you wanted to track it that way. Also, here you can see the quantity bar. This allows for you to ring in several of the same item by only hitting the button once. For example, I can tap the 4 button and then tap pretzel sticks. Now I assign it to the position, and now we have position 1 ordering 4 pretzel sticks. Additionally, that you can see from this screen is we also have the ability to do manual coursing. This is set up ahead of time and named the way in which you would like. For example, this demonstration shows breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As a result, I can tap on breakfast, tap on chili chicken, select a position, and now you can see the breakfast course with the chili chicken. Additional ordering screen functions also include the long press. If I do a long press on an item, such as the ginger fish, a new window appears. This window allows for me to change the price permanently. Also, I can set the item as out of stock, or I can give it a custom count. This is useful in the scenarios where you have an item and you only have so many of them for a set period of time. Additionally, from the screen, if I'm using a label printer, I can print the label from this as well. Also, here on the left-hand side, while the items are green and not sent to the kitchen, I can delete them. I do so by swiping the item to the left. Once I do that, 2 icons emerge, the trash can and the pencil. The trash can will delete the item. However, if I were to swipe to the left on this barbecue burger and then tap pencil, this will allow for me to add a note. For example, I could put in VIP, so the kitchen knows this is a very important order. Additionally, I can tap the pencil button that you see down here in the bottom left, and that will add a note to the entire order. For example, maybe there was an error, and I need this order on the fly.